Gamer Girls Plus 2. And I don't know if you'll be able to see me on the game. I just uploaded a video. So I'm gonna be playing the old Flood Escape. The Flood Escape 1. That's what they need to call it. Okay, it's working. Okay. So I'm uploading a video, as you can see. And yeah, the app that I'm using to record all my apps is called Game Screen Recorder. It records all your games that you play. That's the app that we used. My lips are super glossy. So dark. Let me turn my flashlight.
Guys, so everybody is up here.
Oh,
Good.
how dark.
Oh no, I died, guys.
Guys, I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, you definitely
my game?
can't see me.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, turn the camera off.
Let me go ahead and go. I'm sorry if my game is glitching, but it's just doing at the same time. So I'm going to do hard, and I think I'm by myself.
Sure.
No, I'm by myself. Oh my gosh, guys, I gotta get off the buttons.
Hope you survived.
No, I'm by myself, guys. Guys, I can't do this. I can't do this.
You can.
I can't do this by myself. I would die so easily.
Lucy. Okay, guys, I turned on my flashlight, but you can't see it.
I told you I died.
Where you wanna go?
My sister.
Open this doorway. Hurry up, my Kyria. Cause it's just gonna be me now.
I'm gonna just let it be you. Fight? No. I don't like you.
Well, you said psych, and I was trying to get in, so it's not my fault.
I'm by myself again.
Sorry.
Guys, don't worry, because I can escape this one.
That one's super easy. Okay. I'm about to spectate my sister, Queen Cupcake. Ooh, my Kyrie, this one's hard. What is you doing? You better get up there.
Guys, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. This one is so hard.
Oh my gosh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Just let it be me, my Kyrie, please.
No, we're gonna go do it.
Okay. Gamer Girls Plus 2 about to go on Flood Escape 1. Let's get it. Oh.
Easy one. This time you pressing that button. I'm not.
What button?
Yeah.
How'd you get through right there?
Come on, girl.
I'm sorry.
Go over there and press that button.
Sorry.
Guys, she did this the last time.
What did I do? Oh.
Didn't press the button. Hurry up, Ryan.
Trying to go. Come on. Come on, come on. Man.
don't know how to get past this thing.
Oh. Got it. Oh.
Oh, we stuck, guys. We stuck.
Turned out to be that we're stuck. What? Oh, I was about to say.
Your body pieces just falling everywhere.
Shut up.
It was funny, guys. Y'all saw that how body pieces just falling everywhere.
Guide. Quit. No. No. Come on, Akiri. Cool.
Yay!
Sky.
La Rose.
Yeah.
Shout out to her.
Shout out to Sky Little Rose. You are on YouTube right now.
Hope you know that.
Yeah, she knows it. Oh!
Look at this thing. No, none of us died. I mean, none of us survived.
Yeah.
We're still gonna shout out to Skylar Rose because
Playing with us. Shout out to Sashal and Elm for being here.
is this us?
Yep.
You supposed to go the other way, girl.
I don't care.
You guys, I made it. I can't believe.
No! Go! That's so dumb. No, Kyria. Why would you do that?
I can't stand when he does that.
That's so retarded. Girl, you better get in here. Oh no.
I'm gonna give a shout out to all these people that's up in here playing this game.
Maltese Lover 2008.
Oh, this one again?
Are you serious?
We gotta be quick, okay?
Oh, okay.
This time we actually survived it. Raya!
Well, it's not my fault.
You pushed me off.
That's not my fault.
Yes, it is. You pushed me, so it is your fault.
Yay! My kid, you can't be talking. You didn't even survive at all. So shut up. My screen glitching. Why is it that? Why is it that every time I get in the game,
Sit down, Liz.
it always counts to 5. Let's go. Get out, y'all. Are y'all crazy? What's wrong with y'all? Aren't we supposed to go that way? Where are we supposed to go? Oh yeah, this. Oh my Kyrie.
I'm supposed to go over there. Okay?
I just want to tell you that I love you.
Come on.
Hey!
So we supposed to do this.
So stupid.
Yes.
You're so stupid. Why did it? Bye, Kyrie. Oh, never mind. Lego. Best friends. I mean sisters. And best friends. I have 0 wins. Okay.
Me either.
Okay. Okay, y'all.
I never won one of these. How do you do that? I wonder how people do that.
What?
They must be good at this.
The codes, duh. Ow. That scared the jeepers out of me.
You got this, Raya? I don't got it though.
Me neither. Me neither.
You guys, both of us died. It's not
Oh
fair.
my god. I can't believe it. Why are you getting mad when you die? You're supposed to be happy.
I'm not happy.
It's just a game. Let's try another one. We can't
No,
just
let's try
keep.
this one.
Sorry. You can't just keep on getting on this by yourself. No! Are you on? So we're trying medium, y'all. And it looks, oh.
Looks easy, but not that easy.
It looks easy. For real.
Girl, this don't look easy.
This do look easy.
No, it don't.
How you gonna tell me?
I'm already up there, girl.
Me too.
I don't remember this one.
What? Hate this thing. I died.
Guys, maybe I shouldn't do medium. I think easy is easy. I mean, I think hard is easy.
Yeah, really, it is.
I actually think medium is the hardest one.
Yeah. And then easy is like.
I mean medium.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye. I didn't say to be on her. You did? Which one you wanna go hard? Alright. Come on, man. Whoever's in hard.
Mabo.
Mabo? Quavo?
That's not fair they get those.
What? The water not even there yet. Okay, now it is. Okay. Thanks a lot for doing that, man.
What?
Gonna be hard for him, I know that.
I mean hard.
Huh, me too.
No, you weren't.
I wasn't hard.
No, I hate this people. You
I
can
know,
make it
right?
in time, but girl.
What do we do? Oh, duh. It's either you gonna go that way, or you gonna go that way. Bye, my carrier. I'm done.
I hate to say.
No! My stuff is glitching too much. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm supposed to do easy and see how easy it is.
Yeah. What?
Look at this easiness.
Who texted me? I'll see you too. I'm making myself. Hooray.
Guys, so that's where I'm going to end the video. Bye.
I'm not ending it in this video yet, y'all. Like my sister. With her retarded self.
I'm supposed to watch Jeffy.
Let's react to Jeffy then.
Maybe I'm supposed to react to no Jeffy.
What? Okay. This is where I'm ending this video, and peace.